Hi, I'm Joe, and welcome to Tool Talker. Today we're talking about the new Makita 18V brushless steel rod flush cutter. This bad boy cuts up to 1-inch threaded rod and number 8 rebar, and it does cold cuts. What's cold cuts, you say? With grinders, you get a abrasive wheel that heats up the metal when you're cutting it, which is not so good when you're trying to handle the metal and you're trying to do fast cuts. Another problem with grinders is that when you're doing threaded rod, the abrasive wheels that you use tend to mess up the threading. You're gonna have to rethread that rod. Well, with this you don't have to worry about that. The carbide teeth on this blade are gonna cut right through that, offer you a nice cold cut, and you're gonna be able to cut threaded rod without having to rethread it afterwards. So let's test this bad boy out. Let's check this cold cutting. Nice and cold. And there you have it, the Makita 18V brushless steel rod flush cutter. If you have any other questions about this product, or for more information, visit toolsplus.com or stop by our Waterbury retail store.